Unlocking the mystery. Understanding map key. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to dive into a very interesting topic that you might come across in various contexts. Map key. So, grab your curiosity, and let's unfold the meaning together. A map key, also known as a legend, is an essential part of a map. It is a small box or section on the map that explains the symbols, colors, and lines used on the map, providing clarity on what everything represents. For example, a small blue line might represent a river, and a red triangle might represent a mountain. The map key is there to make sure that you can understand all these representations accurately. Understanding the map key is crucial when you are trying to read a map. It ensures that you can accurately interpret the information presented, helping you to navigate from one point to another, or simply to understand the geographical layout of an area. Without a map key, all the symbols and colors on the map would be confusing and meaningless. Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine you are looking at a hiking trail map. On this map, different types of lines represent various types of trails. Circles represent resting points, and triangles represent peaks or viewpoints. By referring to the map key, you can understand which trail is suitable for your hiking level, where you can rest, and where you can enjoy the best views. Using a map key is straightforward. 1. Locate the map key on the map. It is usually found in one of the corners. 2. Look at the symbol, color, or line on the map that you want to understand. 3. Find the matching symbol, color, or line in the map key. 4. Read the description next to it to understand what it represents. And there you have it. You now know what a map key is, why it is important, and how to use it. Maps are fascinating tools that connect us to the world, and the map key is like a secret code that unlocks their mysteries. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you are now more comfortable with interpreting maps. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in our next video.